Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen.
In today's video, we are making a mini buttercream cake. Ingredients for the mini buttercream cake include blue buttercream frosting made from my sister's perfect American buttercream frosting, some white pearl sprinkles, gold star sprinkles, 4 wooden skewers, a mini cake board, and some uncolored wooden skewers, a mini cake board, and some uncolored. Please subscribe to Beloved Caters for more amazing videos, recipes, and content like this beautiful one we are about to begin. We will place the turntable down and add some buttercream frosting to the middle part, and then place onto it our first vanilla cake layer. Trim off the top layer and then add some frosting to it with the opposite spatula. Then we will continue adding the rest of the cake layers and secure it with some of the frosting until we reach the last cake layer, which is the 4th vanilla cake layer. When that is done, we will insert the already washed and cleaned skewers into the cake layers from top to bottom, opposite each other. So this is how it looks like after inserting the skewers to look like a box pattern on the top of the cake layers. After that, we will trim off the excess part all around the cake layers to give it a straight, uniform look, so that when we crumb coat it, it will look smooth and nice. After crumb coating it, we are going to add a blue buttercream frosting to cover the cake fully, look like this. Then we will add around the cake the white pearl sprinkles by throwing it on the cake with a little pressure. Finally, we will decorate the top part of the cake with some of the buttercream frosting and the pearl sprinkles. Then when that is done, we will use some of the frosting to write the word nice, a love, on the top part of the E to look like this. For the final look, we will add the star sprinkles to the size of the cake we are making. And this is the final look of our mini buttercream cake.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.